Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Perplexity app verification code not received issue on your iPhone or Android phone. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. If you're using the mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. A weak or unstable connection can stop the verification from being delivered. Then, check that you have entered the phone number or email address correctly inside the app. Even a small mistake can prevent the code from arriving. If the app sends the code through email, then go ahead and open your Gmail app. Click on the three-line option in the top left corner. Scroll down and check your spam or trash folder because the messages may have been filtered there sometimes. Then restart your phone and retry to request the verification code again. You can also turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds and then turn it back off. This refreshes your network connection and often fixes delayed SMS problems. After that, make sure your phone number is also able to receive text messages. Some users accidentally block unknown numbers or disable SMS permissions. You should also remove any VPN's connection because VPNs can sometimes interfere with verification systems. If the code is still not arriving, wait a few minutes before trying again. Requesting too many codes in a short time may temporarily block new verification attempts. If available, try using the voice call verification option instead. Now, head over to your app store and search for the Perplexity app, and then you should update the app to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play Store because outdated app versions can sometimes cause login and verification problem. Finally, if none of these work, contact Perplexity support directly to the app and report the issue with your account or phone number. That's how you fix verification code not received on on the Perplexity's app. Subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials.